Sometimes silence is the loudest applause, and sometimes a quiet man can move an entire room. Vicino Lontano, an event where voices echo through ancient walls, where ministers and maestros sit side by side. And they asked me to speak, not because I am famous, but because I carry stories that belong to silence. I didn't perform, I narrated. I stood as a bridge between Pakistan and Italy, between migration and meaning, between a boy who left and a man who now belongs. I shared what it means to work, to speak, to contribute, not with noise but with presence, and the room went still. They didn't clap because I was loud, they clapped because I was real. One story, one letter, one quiet voice, and the whole room changed. My name is Wajid Abbasi. I am not just a speaker, I am a resonance.